channel that you have become a part of as my class, and we're teaching quality. Creating instructions, you're sending a message, I'm receiving the message. You asked me about common sense earlier.
Yeah.
I don't have much common sense. All right, the first one here from Tiffany.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. Pull out 2 pieces of bread.
Oh,
2 pieces of bread. Let's see. With your knife, spread the desired amount of peanut butter on 1 slice of bread.
Well, half of it already.
Well, I haven't opened it, so I'll just split this.
Oh, I forgot to say.
With knife, spread desired amount of jelly. Oh, I like all the jelly.
That card's a big enough
Let's put the
directions
jelly.
in.
Put slices of bread together with PB&J on the inside. I like that. I just don't know how that's gonna work. Okay. And there we go. Perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, so far? You guys get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't assume people know things.
I forgot to say open.
Alright, next.
I ran out of room.
Here we go. From Gabriel. Knife, bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Good, we got the ingredients. First, open the bread. It's open. PB and jelly. I'm assuming that says open the bread, the peanut butter, and the jelly.
Yeah.
Gabriel, yeah?
Yeah.
We're good? Okay. So, since the bread's open, now I gotta open the jelly. Okay, now I gotta open the peanut butter. Good. Place the 2 slices of bread in front of you. I'm gonna use the same we had too, right in front of me. Insert the knife and scoop some peanut butter out. So the knife's already inserted. I'm not gonna get much peanut butter out, okay, good. Smear PB on 1 side of the bread. Good. Then repeat the process with jelly on the other side. A little jelly on the other side of that bread. Odd. Lastly, put the 2 slices together. 2 slices are together. Perfect. Peanut butter and jelly. Yes? No.
Improvement over the last one.
It is an improvement. We've got bread and we've got stuff on it now. You go take your seat. I won't make you do anything for today. Let's see.
I gotta say open. I'm so mad at myself. I ran out of room.
Let's see. From Jasmine. Jasmine? Oh, look at you. Grab a slice of bread. I grab my slice of bread. With a knife, spread peanut butter on half. With a knife, spread peanut butter on half. Then jelly on the other half. Okay, so there's 2 halves to that one. It's not the other bread now, it's the other half of that one. Okay, so there we go. And then fold. Oh my God, how am I gonna fold this? Okay, so I think I'm screwed on that one. So nice job there.
Not that one.
I'm getting through a lot of these here. So Jeffrey, take out 2 slices of bread. I'm gonna even be good. I'm gonna start with 2 fresh slices of bread. Take out the 2 slices of bread. With the knife, put it in the peanut butter. Done. And put some on 1 side of the bread. Okay, 1 side of the bread. 1 side. Ah! 1 side of the bread. That's a side, right?
It counts as a side.
That's a side. All right, 1 side of the bread, and then spread it. Okay. Then take the knife, put some jelly. Some jelly. It says, and then spread it, but it doesn't say where to spread it. Let's spread it on the back. Get some bread there, and let's see. Put some on the other slice of bread. Ooh, and then put the 2 slices together. Some on this one.
Other slice of bread.
Oh, the other slice. You're right. I'm sorry. Thank you. Look at you. That's gonna make it so much better.
Pete.
But you didn't say which side though.
No, I didn't.
Boom. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Anyone?
It's getting closer.
You wanna try it? No? Yeah, we're keeping the bread together this time. Okay, so now, ooh, this one has cleanliness in it. It says, make sure your hands are clean. This is from Kevin. Kevin, make sure hands are clean. I got gloves on. Pick up the peanut butter. Open the lid. It's open. Make sure it's not covered. Oh.
Got you there.
Oh. Got me there.
Yes.
Make sure it's, because this is going to be, he's had this class before. He's got it like he's cheating.
Oh.
Make sure it's not
covered.
It's still covered?
Yes.
Oh, my bad.
Close enough.
Now it's not covered.
Then you have to follow. Don't forget step 1. Make sure your hands are clean.
Yep, got it. They started clean. I had gloves on. They're just not clean now. Pick up the peanut butter, open the lid, make sure it's not covered. Step number 3, pick up the jelly. Open the lid. Open the lid. It doesn't say about not being covered, but there's no extra cover. Get the knife and use it to get some peanut butter. Okay. Spread it on one slice of bread. Okay. Spread it on one slice of bread. There we go. Use the same knife to get some jelly and spread it on the other side of the bread.
Oh,
He got you there.
He got me
there.
there.
it is. Oh, I love this.
Pick up the 2 slices of bread. Is that church almost? Pick up the 2 slices of bread and put the part with the peanut butter onto the side with the jelly.
You got me there.
Is that it? Yeah. It's a twist. That's new age right there. All right, peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Kevin, you want to try it?
It's better than.
It's. I don't know about better. That's aesthetically not pleasing. You guys remember aesthetics?
Yes.
Look, taste, touch, feel. All right. Let's see where we got here. So let's go with Jesse. With the knife, slightly grab some peanut butter. Slightly grab some peanut butter?
with the knife.
With the knife. How do you slightly grab something with a knife?
You just a little bit.
Got it. Alright. Got peanut butter on one bread. Now, never told me to take the bread out of the container here. So on one bread, spread that peanut butter. And it says spread that peanut butter. Done. Alright. Repeat the process with jelly and place on the other side of the bread. Other side. Finally join both sides of bread together. And enjoy your master creation. That's what's in the directions there. Alright, not bad. My goodness, I'm gonna try one more here. Let's go.
Ah,
I'll try the cameraman's.
try mine.
I'm gonna get some like detailed ones. Like,
Look up John Mansouri. I have a lot of details.
let's see, set 2 bread slices on the table side by side.
Oh, you know to put them up.
Set them side by side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
They're side by side. And whose is this? This is Mary's. Mary? For real?
She's outside.
She's one left?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. On one bread, place the peanut butter on top with a knife. Okay, so let's do this. So on one bread, place the peanut butter on top with a knife. See, I told you it's gonna get messy. My goodness. Next, she says, on the second bread, spread the jelly on top with a knife. Second bread, spread the jelly on top with a knife. Place the 2 sides facing each other, and then enjoy. So now they're gonna face each other. And you enjoy? No? Some of you are never gonna eat peanut butter and jelly again, right? So that's what this has.
I will be in about 4 minutes.
Okay, so now, Tanya. We're gonna go first. Right? So it says grab a knife.
Grab.
It says grab bread. It says grab peanut butter. It says grab jelly. Then take the knife and spread the peanut butter and jelly on bread one at a time. How am I gonna do that? She didn't say to put it down.
I think that's a wash. There
I
you
can
go.
make it work. I can make it work.
There you
Alright. So she says, then take the knife and spread the peanut butter. Oh man, it's gonna mess up my clothes. Spread it on the bread, and then the jelly on the bread. One at a time, just like you said. So there we go. Let's get on down in there. After peanut butter and jelly spread on each slice of bread. You didn't tell me how many breads even. I gotta put it on all these now. Oh my gosh. Put slices of bread together to make a complete sandwich. Okay. Let's put the slices of bread together. There we go, complete sandwich. Following directions, I followed them, right? Sometimes you're very clear with what you say, right? And sometimes the person on the other end misinterprets it.